We've looked at the traditional practices of the financial markets and its deeply ingrained habits. Because of greater regulatory scrutiny and the reluctance of banks to lend, it's become harder and harder to get funding. By contrast, hard-working individuals who have saved money are faced with record low interest rates which don't always yield sufficient income.
There's a huge gap in the market to fill. With the newest technology and the required permits at our disposal, we have all the power we need to change the way the traditional capital markets run, for the better.
A traditional IPO is usually an expensive and complex matter. Companies that need to raise capital can't be further apart from their shareholders, with a whole array of financial service providers taking control. But the world is changing, and it's changing fast. By use of technology, communities are getting a voice and they want to be heard. In the era of social networking, it makes sense to come up with a solution for companies to raise capital in their existing networks and to deal directly with their shareholders.
Using the power of the internet, decentralized protocols, social networks and ongoing technological development, we have the ability to decentralize the means of investment and give investors the power to self-organize and shape the world the way they want.
Nxchange is Europe's leading blockchain-based alternative assets investment services platform for tokenized securities and digital assets. All assets are listed to a regulated exchange where investors can invest and trade in these assets 24/7 in an efficient and transparent way.
At Nxchange, we have made impact investing one of our core priorities. Through Nxchange, investors can invest in companies or projects with a sustainable vision. Assets are carefully selected and investments can be both lucrative and impactful.
Our comprehensive investment service platform centralizes all core operational activities, like onboarding investors and assets, servicing IPOs, and allowing investors to invest or trade on a fully regulated private or public exchange.
Our unique auction platform Nxchange allows for transparent price discovery. All information regarding the investment opportunities is available in one place.
Nxchange has entered into several partnerships with notable players, like the development of our blockchain bank account solution with ABN AMRO Clearing Bank.
We build our model through rigorous testing as part of the AFM regulatory requirements and comply with all demands traditional European exchanges also need to meet.
And with new technologies, new opportunities arise. Markets open and free trade is back, giving back the power to, well, everyone. So whether you're a big-time investor, a part-time waitress or a full-time student, anyone with access to the internet will be able to directly invest in, use and exchange their assets, whatever they are, whenever you want. The future is as simple as trading eggs for milk. How's that for a change?
The future is now.
The future is now.
The future is now.